In today's video, I'll show you how to qualify for Sui Network Airdrop. Sui Airdrop could be one of the biggest in 2023. There are big potential earnings with this particular airdrop if we compare it to some other ones that happened earlier this year, such as Aptos. The setup for this airdrop is fairly quick to perform, and it will not cost you anything since Sui is currently not live. They're only live on their testnet. So, welcome back to the channel where we discuss the world of crypto. And remember, anything I show you here is not financial advice. Please do your own research when it comes to crypto or any other type of investments. Sui is a new layer 1 blockchain that is built by X-Meta team, also known for DM projects. It's built on the Move program language, which is one of the developers' favorite. It is a proof-of-stake blockchain where we have all of these validators participating in the incentivized testnet. Many will ask, why are we having all of these airdrops and why are we having them now? Well, airdrops are particularly done in a bear market, and the purpose of an airdrop is to attract liquidity and investors to try out the new network. So when you have a liquidity, that also attracts development, where developers are incentivized to develop on those applications for that particular network. So they take advantage of that liquidity and potentially earn protocol fees. So with Sui's potential airdrop approaching in the near future, let's go through the step-by-step process to qualify for this airdrop. Step 1 of the process is to set up a Sui network wallet. Sui wallet is made by Miston Labs, the official developers. Sui wallet is also a Chrome extension. So if we go to the link above, we can install the extension and set up the wallet. Basically, all we want to do is add to Chrome, add extension, and your wallet will install. Once the wallet is installed, we can go ahead and click Get Started. And right here, we can basically create our wallet. You'll also need to write down your 12-word seed phrase and create a password to access this wallet. And you can also pin it in the Chrome extension, just like your MetaMask. Step 2 is to request some free tokens on Devnet by clicking Request Devnet Tokens right here. And basically, these tokens are free. We need these tokens to interact with the applications. So we don't need a lot of these tokens. So don't click too many times to flood the network. Step 3 is to go to Cappy Art and mint your own Cappy. Cappy Art has been crashing a lot lately because there is a lot of demand on this particular app. What you can do is connect your Sui wallet, make sure it's on testnet, and mint your own Cappy. You can also go to Cappy Market and buy one if you want to with testnet token. You don't have to buy that Cappy. Just remember, all we're doing here is interacting with this app, so we have interaction history. Step 4 is join Sui Discord and request some testnet tokens from the faucet. Once we join the Sui Discord, we can come down here to testnet faucet, and we need to give this bot a command in order to get these tokens. We're going to need our Sui address. So the way we do that is we open our Sui wallet and we copy that address. Once we have our address, we need to give it a command. The command is !faucet space and paste your address here. And basically hit enter. And wait about 5 minutes, the bot will get to you and you'll basically get free testnet tokens. Step 5 is to stake your testnet tokens. Once your testnet tokens arrive to your wallet, you need to come up here to your wallet and switch your network from Devnet to testnet. Once we switch the network, we will see that our testnet tokens have arrived. We need to come up here and stake those tokens by clicking Stake and Earn, and we can basically choose any of the validators. I'm just going to go with this first one right here, select amount, and I'm going to stake one testnet token. Stake now, and basically this is going to go through the process right here that we have staked one testnet token. Step 6 of the process is very simple. We need to mint an example NFT on testnet network. Make sure you are on your testnet network. To check that, you can come up here to the 3 lines, and here where it says network, make sure it's on Testnet. Go down here to apps, and there'll be a button here stating mint an example NFT. You're going to mint that NFT, and that will be your step 6. Step 7 is to create your own NFT on demo app. To mint this NFT, we need an image that we can host on the internet, so we can get a link and use that link in order to create that NFT. You can use imgbb.com as a hosting platform to upload your image. Once you have your link, you can go to sui-wallet-demo.sui.io, give it a name, description, and image link, and create that NFT. Step 8 is to claim Sui domain name on Testnet. You can claim your domain name by visiting sui.ns.io and SNS.domains. I would mint the same domain name on both sites since they both claim to be Sui's official partner. The way you would claim your name, you will come up here, connect your wallet, search for your name, and claim that domain name. Same thing when you go to SNS.domains, connect your wallet up here, search for that name, and claim that domain name. Once you have your name claimed, make sure you activate your domain name so it's linked to your address. Step 9 is to follow Sui on 3 different programs on Sui webpage. Sui Token Community Access Program is where you can find the 3 programs that I will follow. If we scroll down here, these are the 3 programs I will follow in the future: Ambassador Program, University Outreach Program, and Educational Program. These programs are not live yet, but you can check back regularly, and once they become live, try to participate, and that will pretty much guarantee you some free tokens once they launch. So that is the guide for Sui Airdrop. I suggest you perform all of these tasks as soon as possible, because we never know when the snapshot is going to be taken. I hope you found this guide helpful for this particular airdrop. And please keep in mind, none of these airdrops are guaranteed to happen. All we're doing here is performing these tasks in case they do happen, so we have interaction with the platform, so we can potentially receive some free crypto. So please like the content and subscribe to the channel for more crypto content in the future. And remember, all the links are going to be down in the description, step-by-step process where you can follow and perform all of these tasks to increase your chances for this particular airdrop.